Okay, so here we have this short little video I made. Here's my typewriters about this sealed typewriter ribbon. This is an Old Town secretarial ribbon. Yeah, you see the Brooklyn Bridge? This is made in Brooklyn, New York, where I come from. What does it say here? Airtight, never been opened. Factory fresh. Guaranteed non-filling, non-fading, non-drying. Typewriter ribbon. Brilliant, sharp writing. Erases clean, manufactured exclusively by Old Town. Focus on there. Corporation. Read the, if I can focus on this, let's see, hold on a minute. Yeah, Brooklyn, 38, New York. Made in USA. A little rusty. What does that say on there? Let's get some light. Okay, that looks like that says R.C. Allen, ADD, adding machine, black. So it's for an R.C. Allen adding machine. Well, I'm going to pop this open. I don't have an R.C. Allen adding machine. But we're going to see how fresh this is. Now, how old is this? Well, it's before we had zip codes. Brooklyn 38. That would today be 11238. So, 50 years? That's what it looks like to me. This looks like 60s. Maybe even, yeah, early 60s. Alright, can open it up. Alright, so let's see if we can pop this key off. Well, look at that. Alright, stick it on here. This is the way we used to open the coffee cans, all the cans years ago. Coffee cans. I think even spanting. I think I just heard something like maybe it was still sealed. I smell ink. Let's open it up. Yeah, obviously that's the end of the can after this, since peeling this off. It's taken away the middle of the can. Yeah, look at that. So since it's for the R.C. Allen adding machine, I know that's a small machine. It's a small spool. Oh, look at that. Oh boy, look at that. It's got this little clip. That we're going to have to get an R.C. Allen adding machine. I wonder if this is still juicy. Let's see. Holy mackerel, look at that. Wow. Wow, that ribbon is like new. Holy cow. That just got good and inked. Wow, fantastic. I can't believe it. Paper towel here. That is something. Oh, so now we know if we buy sealed ribbons that they're going to be good. Boy, this thing is juicy. We're going to have to seal this up in something now. Yeah, that was really an interesting thing. Look at that. There's the key with the coiled metal. And there's where the key was. It's rust. Okay. Very interesting. All right. So we just saw one of these ancient cans get opened. And it was that black ribbon for an R.C. Allen adding machine. Well, I tried using it on a typewriter and it really didn't work too well. It's just too juicy. I guess it's made for an adding machine. So here we have another one. This is a nylon plus AF, whatever that means. Same thing, Old Town. This company from Brooklyn made these sealed cans. Brilliant, sharp writing. Erases clean. Old Town. Yeah, Old Town Typewriter Ribbon Company in Brooklyn. See, airtight, factory fresh. Guaranteed non-filling, non-fading, non-drying. Okay, now, as you saw with the last one, when you pop the key and you peel the thing around, you ruin the can. So, we're going to try something different. This is what we call a lid lifter. A lot of people never even heard of a lid lifter. It's like a can opener, because it opens cans, but it's not a can opener. This is made by Ricone here, whoever the heck that is. I don't know if this is Swiss or German, something like that. But this actually uncrimps the can. And once you uncrimp it, you have this little toothy thing here. And you put that on there and you just pop the lid right off. And when you open a can with this, this is good to open, cans of coffee, cans of food, can of corn, string beans, whatever. It does not have a blade that punches into the can. So you have nothing infiltrating the food, so to speak. This actually uncrimps the lid and you just pop the lid off. Nothing goes in the can. So we're going to take the top off this can and you can actually pop it back on again. So we'll have a nice collectible can. Hopefully, if this works well. So let's try this now. This is a little tricky to get on. Goes like this. There, here we go. She grabbed already. Okay, I'm going to turn it. Let's see if we can get this to open the can. And you turn it around just like a regular can opener. All right, there it goes. Yeah, now see, it just as soon as it gets easy, it's pretty tough to turn. As soon as you feel it get a little easy, you went completely around. Okay, then you just do this backwards. Pops right off. Here's your little finger thing for the thing that grabs the lid. And look at that. There's the lid. Boy, you could smell the ink. Wow, that's fresh. There's a number punched in the top of the can, 1502. You can see it there. Factory, no. Now this one is supposed to be for, what does that say? Royal. Black and red. So this is a black and red ribbon, which we're going to put in. Look at how clean that can is. Brand new. See? I could take the lid, put the lid right back on again. I mean, it ain't going to stay like a piece of Tupperware, but you still got the lid. You still have a collectible can. We didn't have to destroy the can. You can actually just, maybe I could glue this back on or just tack solder it around. We could put some tack soldering and we'll have a beautiful can for the collection, still with the key attached. Is that cool or what? And here's the ribbon, which I am not even going to unwrap. until I get it in the typewriter. Actually, I will unwrap it. Let's see how fresh it is. Should be fresh as can be. Like the other one was. Oh, I see. This is the big ribbon. Yeah, this is for the big royal. This is for the big. I think a friend of mine has this typewriter. No, I might have to give this to him. Yeah. Manufactured by Syracuse Stamping Company, USA. That's interesting. I thought it was made by Old Town. Maybe they made the ribbon, not the spool. That's a beautiful spool. It's got the spring-loaded thing over here. All right, let's see now. How's the ink on this? Oh yeah, that looks good. Oh yeah, she's juicy. Look at that. Yeah, she's juicy. That's a nice, well, that's a beautiful ribbon. Nice vintage ribbon. Okay, so that is how you can open a vintage can of Old Town ribbon and not ruin the can. All right, I'm going to leave it in there for now. So like I said, I'm going to tack solder this. This is, you could solder this metal. I'm going to put just a little drop of solder, you know, here, like 2 or 3 places, 4 places, whatever. And all of that with the magic of the lid lifter. That's the lid lifter. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful little device. Great to have around, and interestingly enough, not too many people heard of it. Yep, there's the brand, Kuhn Rikon, made in Switzerland. I think I bought this at that place in the city. What was the name of that place? I can't remember it right now. They used to sell like Hofritz cutlery and all of that stuff. I can't remember it. It's a high-end kitchen place. Kitchen appliances and all little gadgets like this that you don't find ordinarily. Yeah, it was bugging me. I had to look it up. It's Williams Sonoma. That's the name of the place. Williams Sonoma. I don't know if I got it by mail order or if we went to the city. There was one in Manhattan. And when we would venture into Manhattan. Anyway, that's that. We have a typewriter collection over here, which is growing amidst the stamp collection and the crystal inkwells. There's a letter I typed to an acquaintance I met in Hungary who's getting me typewriter parts and having a grand old time. Anyway, that's the story for now. That's it. Great thing to have, especially if you want to open up a can without damaging it. And like I said, a lot of times the lid may not fit perfect, but it actually fits back on again. Lid lifter. Okay, till next time. Thank you for watching.